Hello everyone. Today, we'll be installing a motor operator on the ETIBREAK NBS molded case circuit breaker. The primary function of the motor operator is to enable remote switching of the circuit breaker, both turning it on and off. The installation is straightforward. It mounts directly onto the front panel and is secured using 4 screws included in the package. Before installation, make sure the circuit breaker is in the off position. For the first operation, you must manually switch the breaker to the on position using the manual handle. Everything is working fine. This motor operator has 2 control modes. Manual mode, using the handle for operation. Automatic mode, controlled via terminal connections. To enable automatic operation, switch it to the auto position and supply power to terminals P1 and P2. Now, we apply power and test the operation. Power is supplied. To switch the breaker on, we close contacts S1 and S2. The breaker is now on. To turn it off, we close contacts S1 and S4. The breaker has successfully turned off. A critical note: terminals S1, S2, and S4 carry potential voltage. Do not apply additional voltage to these terminals. Switching the mode selector to manual automatically disables remote control. One important thing: when operating manually, always rotate the handle clockwise and only by 180 degrees. The breaker's current status is displayed via an indicator located on the left side. Additionally, this motor operator includes a trip button, which allows you to test the breaker's trip function. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.